everybody, happy Thanksgiving. So I'm just about to head over to my parents and I still have to do my lipstick. And what is the most important thing about your lipstick on Thanksgiving? Staying power. Because you're going to be having drinks, you're going to be eating, and with all those bites and those sips, your lipstick is bound to wear off. So I'm going to do a quick lip look for you so that you can see my tricks for staying power. So the first thing I'm going to do is touch eclat, YSL, cover up my lips. Give myself a base, and I'm going to use my lip pencil, Chanel. I like to go right outside my line of my lips so that I have a little bit more of a plump look. All right, now you want to make sure that you filled your lips completely in, because that's how the color is going to stay after your bites. Okay, so once you filled all your lips in, then you really could just go like this and put some gloss on it, or however you want to go. I'm actually going to use some lip color, YSL Rouge Volupte Shine in 43. And for some added definition, you take a gloss. This is Armani. Don't do the center of your bottom lip. And you're going to take some sort of sparkle, this one's Chanel, put it right in the center of your bottom lip. That's going to give the illusion of more of a pout. So there you have it. My lips, and then even if I take my bites or I take my sips, the coral underlayer of my pencil with the concealer will last me probably most of the day. All right, thanks. Hope y'all have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Bye.